Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today we will title it guys how to solve screen double tap problem. Friends, you have double tap to on screen, double tap to wake screen problem. So how to solve the screen double tap problem? First of all guys, let me tell you what is double tap problem. Friends, you can see my screen is off. So when I double tap on my screen, friends, you can see my screen on, and friends again when I double tap, so my screen off. So friends, you have also the same problem Tecno phone and guys another device. So how to solve it today friends, I will show you. First of all guys, we will double tap and we will on our screen, and guys click on your phone setting, Tecno phone. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, you will have to click on guys your Tecno mobile special function setting guys. So special function setting guys, we will on from here. After on special function friends, you can see game mode setting, smart panel and micro setting. So guys, third option micro setting, we will click here. First you can see three finger screenshot, erase to your setting, smart screen setting. So friends, you can use your gesture setting from here. So guys, you will have to click on tapping wake. So friends, you can see this tapping wake is enabled in your Technophone device. So you will have to disable, means you will have to off it. Your problem will solve. Friends, you can see this double tap to wake and turn off screen setting will not work in our Tecno mobile. Friends, this blank area I will double tap, screen will not off. And yes, you can see lock screen setting. Friends, you can see when we will double tap, screen will not on. So like that guys, we can solve this double tap screen problem in our Technophone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. And friends, you want to use this double tap setting, so guys you can also on from your special function setting. As you can see when we will double tap, as you can see now we will double tap on this blank area, screen will off and screen will on with double tap. So like that guys, we can solve this problem, and guys you want to use, so you can use this setting also. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.